Okay, boys and girls, we're going to do some more review of words this week. We're going to be blend it and read it. I want you to help me blend out these words and then read the whole word. E, ing, meaning, l, I, t, light, st, I, l, still, r, I, t, right, or, more, y, are, d, yard, pl, a, play, a, k, rock, use, use. Now, boys and girls, you're going to find the worksheet that has EOY words with sound spellings 1, and you're going to find those words in the word puzzle. This is a lot like the one we've done before, but these are all scrambled up again. So I want you to find those words, and I would like for you to highlight them with your pencil or your crayon. Good luck.